In this video, we'll show you how to change the windshield wipers on your Chevy Silverado. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Lift the wiper blade arm up. To remove the blade, press the retaining tab, then slide the blade. You can also use a car trim removal tool to help you. To avoid any accidents, place the arm delicately onto the windshield. Before doing so, place a folded piece of paper towel on the windshield to protect it. You can order the windshield wipers used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new blade. Install the adapter suited to your assembly if it is not already in place on the blade. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. To put the new one in place, follow the same process that you used to take it off. Sliding it onto the housing, you should hear a click as it locks into place. Place the arm back down gently. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.